Hello you lovely people. In today's video I want to talk about the fact that Red Bull seems to want to get rid of Sergio Perez for 2024. At least to me personally it seems to be the case, although I might be completely wrong. The reason why I think so is because they have already made the decision that should Sergio Perez leave at the end of the 2023 season, Daniel Ricciardo would step in to become Max Verstappen's teammate for 2024. Well, I think that is not gonna happen unless Red Bull actually get rid of Perez, because he still has a contract for 2024, and I think it's a bit unfair that Red Bull are supposedly trying to block Sergio's request to revert to an earlier spec car to get his season back on track. Well, I think that absolutely makes no sense, given that Red Bull have won both championships, the Drivers and the Constructors' Championship. In my view, they should help Sergio to secure the second place in the Drivers' Championship, because they've never had that in their history, rather than putting pressure on Sergio Perez. Anyway, this is just what I'm thinking. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Cheers for watching. If you do like my content, then smash the subscribe button, and also consider buying me a super thanks so that I can get myself a cup of coffee. Alright, speak to you later guys. Bye.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.